Kagulay, good morning kagulay. Good morning, good morning. Happy New Year. Harvest namin kaliksto kagulay. Yan. Bumaba. Harvestin kagulay oh. Yan. Ang laki kagulay. Oversize na. Ito yung area kagulay. Yan. Purok trees. Inlayagan ilawd. Trinidad Bohol. Yan. Harvest namin. Nail the Farmer kagulay. Subscribe na YouTube channel. 63 this old kagulay. Pang-anim na harvest. Yan. Ito na yung na-harvest namin. Mahigit 100 kilos na siguro ito kagulay. Yan. Babantil na kami. Tapos na. Mamaya ulit kagulay. Bandel kami. Grabe. Thank you. Thanks blessing. January 3, 2025. Look for buyer.